brand them, we put the numbers on, and then we just paint into the brand, just black paint after you put white paint on, and then it'll look like this. It'll be, oh, I don't know, about a 16th to a 32nd inch deep or so, maybe an 1/8 inch deep, but it pretty much will make them theft proof, or at least you'll have a serial number on there. All I do is use this standard plumbing torch, and here we've got a 0 heating up. Get her good and hot. Main thing is you want it to be hot. I can see it start to hold a little bit of a slight glow to it. If you do it this way, it takes a little bit of time, but it's cheap. This box here, I've already got it painted. Once that thing's hot enough, we should be able to put our brand right on there. Looks like we're getting a slight glow to it. And we'll see if she's warm enough. The 6 can be used as a 9 as well. We're going to use it as a 9. I got my number at 18, so I need a 19 for demonstration here. So usually on brands, the 6 replaces the 9, so you can use it for a 6 or a 9. So go ahead and get it warming up too. Looks like these bees are having a heyday in the shop here. Boy, they like that wax-coated foundation in there. I wish they would get out of here. I need to get a cover and put on that. Back over here, it looks like our 6 is just about ready to go. The only recommendation I could suggest is if you're doing, say, several boxes, do all your 0s first, and then just move up your line. If you're going to go 1 through, or to 13s, or 11, 12, 13, do all your 1s next. That way, because you already got a good hot brand. This is kind of the poor man's way of doing it. Electric brand is very expensive, but these fire torched ones work just as good. That's good and ready. I'm starting to get a slight glow to it. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see that it's starting to glow. We want to go 9. We'll turn our 9 upright. And then just press her down. There we have a nice 9, 0019. I label all my boxes with a different number. You could probably label them all corresponding to the Hive, but I don't know. It really helps if you're trying to keep some sort of a record. Then you'll know, like this here, box number 19 was fully drawn out, or however you want to label it. I hope this will clear up any confusion if anybody's had. And thanks for watching.